Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a passkey on crypto.com. For that, first of all, you need to launch your crypto.com application. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. Over here on the home page, tap on the three lines here in the top left hand corner of the screen. Then among the given options, you need to just scroll down and tap on the option of settings. Over here in your settings, you are going to see the second option of security. So tap on the option of security. Now here in your security, you will find the next option of passkeys. So you need to tap on the option of passkeys. Now here it is going to give you the option of creating a passkey. With the help of it, you will be able to enjoy seamless verifications without the need for SMS, OTPs or 2FA codes. So here tap on the option of continue in the bottom. After that, you need to set your passkeys. So here you need to enter your passcode. After that, you need to enter your 2FA code. So in your authenticator or in your generator application, you are going to get the code which you need to paste over here. Once done, simply press continue here in the bottom. So this way you will be able to set up your passkeys on crypto.com. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.